Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
Linking keeps separate audio and video synced for accurate editing workflows. This prevents drift and saves time during assembly and mixing. Use 48K HZ audio files and a consistent frame rate like 24 FPS for best results. Record a slate or embed timecode when possible to enable automatic matching. Name files clearly with scene and take numbers to simplify automatic matching. Backup originals before relinking to avoid accidental overwrites. Confirm sample rates and bit depths use merge clips or the synchronize command to align separate audio and video files. Choose waveform sync when timecode is unavailable and audio waveforms are clear. Sync by timecode when both devices share identical timecode values for perfect alignment. Check automatically created merged clips in the project panel before placing them on the timeline. Manually adjust trim or nudges in milliseconds if waveform sync requires fine-tuning. Keep original unmerged clips as backups if you need to resync later. Linking combines selected video and audio tracks into a single linked clip for timeline editing. Select video and matching audio, right-click, and choose Link to bind them together. Use Relink to repair offline media or Point Premiere to moved audio files on disk. If you need to unlink, choose Unlink and edit audio separately before relinking. Export with audio channels mapped correctly and an export bit depth like 24-bit for deliverables. Verify exported audio sync by comparing final file waveform to your timeline.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.